Hello everybody, Photojunky here from the Photojunky's Drone Zone. In this video, I'm reviewing the Soliom B10 surveillance camera. It is motion sensor. It is activated by the sun. That's a solar panel right there. It is a pretty good quality camera. Feels solid, it's very compact. Absolutely no complaints so far. To get going, it's very simple. They're all very simple. Just look at the pictures, screw in the parts here. Really can't go wrong. And before you actually download the app, make sure it's charged fully, and they give you a USB cable and just plug it in. A dead battery will take about 10 hours if it's completely dead. This one was almost fully charged, so it took about an hour. Once you've done that, download their app. Very easy, just scan the barcode in here, register, and you're pretty much set to go. Image quality has been good. I have no complaints about image quality. One setting I found very amusing is their alarm. So if you want somebody to know that the camera has been activated and that they're being watched, turn on the alarm setting and it'll sound like a siren when it goes off. And I found that very amusing. I was actually kind of surprised by it. After a while, you know, it depends. If you have it in your house at the front door, then turn it off, because that will be a little excessive. For the price, I would definitely recommend this. I have absolutely no complaints. So far, so good. And thank you for watching this video.